So you have an AirPods Max and only one side is working with audio or sound. I'm going to show you a couple fixes, okay? So first thing is go ahead and go directly to your settings. Then you want to go to Bluetooth. First thing you want to make sure that you're connected, okay? So my AirPod Max, it says connected, so I'm connected to this iPhone. Now let me go back. Now from here, we want to go down to accessibility, all right? So let's go down to accessibility right there. Tap on accessibility. And now from here, we're going to scroll down until we see audio and visual. Audio visual right there. So let's tap on that. Now, let's just go down and look under balance, okay? If yours is like to the right or to the left, you want to go ahead and put it to the middle, okay? So if that's the issue, if it was on one side or whatnot, go ahead and put it in the middle and see if it's working, okay? If not, then we're going to go to the next step here. So yours is already set at 0, or you just put it at 0 here and only one side is still working. We're going to go back here. What we're going to do next is we're just going to simply factory reset these, all right? So we're going to go back, and then from here, we're going to go back again, go back to Bluetooth, all right? So we're going to go back to Bluetooth here. So we're going to tap on Bluetooth. And you should be connected. AirPods Max is connected. Go ahead and tap on that eye right there. And now from here, we're going to go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom. And it says down here, forget this device. So let's tap on forget this device. Click on forget. Forget. Now, it's no longer paired or anything. Now we're going to go ahead and factory reset these, okay? So go ahead and grab this right here. And what we want to do is we're going to press and hold both buttons here, okay? It's the crown and the noise cancellation button. So what we want to do is press and hold these buttons and look down here at this light, okay? We want to wait until the light turns amber, then it turns to a blinking white, then let go, okay? So we'll do this together, okay? Both buttons, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep on holding. Keep on holding. I'm waiting for that amber or orange light. Still holding here. This takes maybe 15, 20 seconds. Just keep on holding. Okay, amber, amber, amber. Now it's blinking white. Now go ahead and let go. And we just factory reset these, okay? Now, go back to your iPhone here. And now we're going to go ahead and connect it. All right, it's connected, as you can see of AirPods Max. Now go ahead and see if you have audio or sound on both. Now, if you still have audio only on one, then just go ahead and restart the phone or turn it off, then turn it back on. And now go ahead and reconnect, all right? So if you did all three of these steps, I mean, at least 85% of you guys should now have audio working on both sides, okay? Good luck, guys.